thrilled to celebrate here with you at the world premiere of Black Widow.
It's gonna be the best movie all year.
It's literally gonna be my favorite Marvel movie.
Everything we've been waiting
I don't care. I've been waiting for this movie since I was a little kid. So Natasha's been my favorite, my ride or die since day one.
Please welcome David Harbour!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please enjoy Marvel Studios' Black Widow.
Let's go.
It's a huge, fun action movie for the fans. Can't wait for people to see it.
Finally getting to see it, so exciting.
Thank you for waiting. I'm really grateful you're all here tonight.
We're here to celebrate Black Widow!
We make these movies for you and we finally get to see it!
You ready to watch Black Widow?
Let's go!
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being the best fans in the world. Enjoy the world premiere of Marvel Studios' Black Widow.
We have to go back to where it all started.
It was amazing.
Mind-blowing.
Oh my god, I love the
It's gonna be a hell of a reunion.